hey, first I just want to say thanks to everyone for coming to the meeting. Awesome meeting, good to see people travelling and some familiar faces and that, so really good, and thanks so much for making the effort to come out. A huge thanks to all the committee from Series X for New South Wales for pulling the meeting together, and the MRA, so I'll put our hands together for those people. Great job and awesome feel as the start, so really good, and I hope young Thomas is okay after a little thing over there, so hopefully it walks away not too bad. Okay, just get on with it. Fastest modifier goes to Brock Feeney. Don't run away. And fastest lap in the race also to Brock. Well done, Brock. Next one's hardest charge award. That means how many the person made on the most positions during the race, and a great, well-deserved trophy going to Monique Skipper as well.
I'd just like to thank Dad for taking me out, and for getting the cars ready, and for everyone that came and supported me, and for everyone for a good race.
Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for turning up, for being well behaved, considering Excels and Pulsars are usually quite eventful for us. Thank you guys. It was always a pleasure, as I say. First night round for the year, and it's been a good event. So a bit of a long day for me, unfortunately, but I'll get there. So I'm here to give the first, second, and third for the race. In third place we have car number 36. I don't know your first names, so we have Bircher and Murray.
That's a bit different to the Hollywood you have now,
First of all, obviously, I'd just like to thank Cooper for, making the commitment to coming out here. He's a very busy man, so I appreciate it. Obviously, all my family for everything they do. Dad for putting his heart and soul into everything we do in all our racing, and just everyone for making the meeting possible.
I'd just like to thank Cody and his family. It was good fun. Thanks so much. Alright, now finished in second place, car number 27, which is Crossland and Clement. Congratulations, guys. Thank you. Pleasure. Thank you.
I want to thank the club. It's awesome coming out. You guys do a really good job of hosting meets. It's plenty of fun. Great job to all the competitors and the committee put on a really good race. I love coming here, so I'll be coming back. Well done to Benny and the team for an awesome car, good racing. I can't wait for the next one. Cheers.
I'd like to thank a little bit of the boys, Crossland Motorsport and Coops Motorsport boys, Kev Bahaja for helping put the car together, mate. And yeah, all the competitors and the officials, thank you.
No worries. So out in front, finishing first place, we have car number 93, which is Feeney and Ingle.
Thank you so much. We absolutely love coming down here, and pretty exciting to drive with Russell this weekend. So, bit of a journey ahead for us, and it was excited, great racing with everyone out there. So pretty important for him to get a few miles out there today, and everyone made it really enjoyable. And you know, we absolutely love coming racing here, and especially under lights. So massive thank you to everyone. Dad, Lockie, Mum, thank you very much. It's been pretty enjoyable. We didn't make too many mistakes really this weekend. We had a very busy day, probably the busiest XL day we've ever had. But no, it still ended up really good. And I suppose this champagne can be for Mum's birthday on Monday.
Look, thanks very much for having me along. Look, this Hyundai XL series is such a good series. Great competitors. Everyone's been so friendly, lending your stuff as well, and I just rate it really highly, and I rate the drivers really highly. It's really surprised on both male and female, and how good and talented some of the drivers are, because no matter what it is, whether it be a supercar or a Hyundai, you still got to pedal hard to get a time out of it and to get a result as well. And it's really surprised me, and great being part of it, and hopefully it's brought a little bit of publicity and highlighted a little bit, which helps everyone out, helps the category out, and you know, I think going to be a lot of people are going to be knocking on the door going, hey, this Hyundai XL series is pretty cool, you know, so, and great for up and coming drivers too, affordable and very good. So well done guys, well done to all the competitors and the organisers.
Together, sorry, three places. Do you want to open those champagnes? None of those.
It's too cold.
Too cold.
Too sticky.
Good job, boys.
Good job. Very good. Good job. Well done. Well done. Good job.
So these were the ones that were available last year. So